Kuya, happy birthday. Wish ko more blessing at saka enjoy life. O, di ba? Yun lang, enjoy parati. Have more birthday to come and more blessing, especially sa YT. Happy birthday.
Hello everyone. I'm here to give a short greetings to our birthday celebrant. Happy birthday, Sir Gail. More birthdays to come. Uh, may your day be filled with smile. Ayan, syempre wish ko joy and good health. Happiness today and always. Ayan, enjoy every moment. Enjoy your day. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Once again, happy birthday, Sir Gail. God bless and stay blessed, of course. Thank you.
Ayan, hello! Mega shoutout sa'yo dyan sa ating celebrant for today, ang ating Sir Gil, ayan, official. Thank you so much. And again, this is Mercy Kitchenette, wishing you a blessed and bounty birthday for this year. And wish ko lang marami ka pang blessings and more good health, of course, to you and to your family. And more birthdays to come, more candles to blow. And also, Happy New Year sa iyo and sana this coming year ahead magkakaroon tayo ng mas masayang taon. And again, gusto ko pasalamatan Sir Gel sa iyong love and support sa aking munting bahay. Even though hindi tayo super close, but andyan ka lang lagi, nasa baba ka, nakasuporta ka sa amin. Maraming salamat, and hindi man ako perfect na nakasupport sa'yo, pero you're the best. Hindi ka na iba sa amin. And sana magiging happy ka sa iyong birthday, and of course sa pag-celebrate ng New Year's. And thank you so much again. And this is Mercy Kitchenette, and masasabi kong super blessed to have you. Ayan. Maraming salamat, Sir Gel. And God bless you always. Ayan. Goodbye.
Hello, my galong shout out. Good evening and good afternoon to all of you. Nandito ako sa inyong harapan para batiin ang nag-iisang sir. Ang si Sir Gual na nagdiriwang ng kanyang kaarawan. Happy birthday, Sir Gual. Thank you dahil isa ako sa napili mong magbigay ng mahalagang message para sa birthday mo. Sir Gual, wish ko may you have more birthday to come. God bless, good health, and marami pang subscriber at maging successful ang YouTube channel mo. Yan. Sir Gual, thank you sa lahat ng suporta na binibigay mo sa akin, and super blessed. Blessed na blessed ako dahil naging magkaibigan tayo sa larangan ng YouTube. Kaya Sir Gil, Sir Guay, para sa iyo ang kantang ito. Handugan kita ng isang kanta na translated sa Italian song. Tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri a Sir Guay, tanti auguri a te. Again, Sir Guay, thank you so much and happy birthday, more birthday to come. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Bye-bye!
Ayan happy birthday, Sir Guel. Wish you all the best and God bless you. Wish you good health and many more years to celebrate. It's your birthday, so enjoy it, Sir Guel. And on behalf of the BFF, Team BFF, ayan. Greetings to Sir Guel Official. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, mega love shoutout. Ayan, gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday si Sir Gail. Sir Gail, happy birthday. Ayan, more birthday to comes and more candles to blow. Ayan, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. At mag-birthday ka hanggang gusto mo. Ayan, happy birthday and happy new year. Bye-bye everyone.